Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at the Revlon Photoready Eye Art Lid, Line, and Lash in Topaz Twinkle by Revlon. I believe the shade is Topaz Twinkle 100. So it's 100. And it comes with a very pretty gold color, similar to the kitten color that Stila produces for eyeshadow, which is a really nice, beautiful gold. And then this is your liner, which is a really pretty holographic gold glitter. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my hand so you can see what the texture is like. So this is for the lid, and you want to let this dry a little bit before you put your liner on. So it's really pigmented. It really picks up that gold color, especially on camera. You can see it a little closer. It's almost a pinky gold, which is, like I said, that kitten color, which everybody loves. And so this is a little bit of a more affordable option because it's an over-the-counter and it's not a high-end makeup line like Stila. So let me show you the glitter really quick. Or let me tell you a little bit about the product while this dries. So it's a coordinated eyeshadow set, contrasting finishes. You can design custom eye looks with ease. Intensely pigmented creamed eyeshadow with effortlessly glides on, as you saw it one on my hand really nicely. Brilliant sparkle with a slim brush applicator that applies sparkle anywhere. So you can do your line, or if you want, you can put it all over the color so you can have a whole sparkle eye and just go for that. And it's available in 10 shades for truly customized eye looks. So this looks like it's set. It's a little tacky, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the liner, and you would just go along the line of your eye. I'm not very good at putting on eyeliner, but you don't have to be amazing at this with the glitter stuff. So that's kind of the color it would produce. If you wanted to, you could put it over more of the color to give it more of a glitter shimmer. I can't get enough glitter. I think this is a really great product. I love that it's lid and line. I love the color. I think it's a great duo. It's fun that it has both ends have a color and it applies really nicely. If I was to give it a score out of 5, I would give it a 5 out of 5, which is high praise for eyeshadow because I'm really picky. You can also, with the liner, you can also define it with a black liner first. So using a Revlon eyeliner or your eyeliner of your choice, you can line your eyes, get more of a defined look. And also mascara. That's always what I say. Double down on the mascara. And also you always want to prep your eyebrows as well. Make sure they're neat and tidy because it can change your whole face. So basically it says a little bit more about the product. Coordinating shadow duos and satin and sparkle finishes create unique, customized, expertly coordinated looks. Get intensely pigmented cream eyeshadow on one end and a brilliant sparkle on the other. The cream shadow glides on for effortless finish, for smooth, rich color. Then the slim brush applicates to apply sparkle to the lid as a liner or on the tips of the lashes. That's something I didn't even think about. You can put on the tips of your lashes so you can have glitter eyelashes, which is super fun. I don't think I'll ever get tired of glitter. Glitter is in my blood. Hopefully it is in your blood too, because a world without glitter would not be a fun place. I love lots of sparkle. This is a really great product that Revlon brought to market. But like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.